Films once again in the house. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beat in Cubase 5 without wasting much time. If you're not subscribed to Kondison Films, click that subscription button. Tick. But if you don't feel like subscribing, you leave it. I don't want robots on my channel. If this video is impacting some of important stuff in your life, why not give a like? Only like. Subscription is optional, not by force. Because you will subscribe there, you'll not watch this stuff. You just comment there. If this video is not good, you say it's not good. If it's good, you say it's good. If you feel like liking, you like. But subscription, leave to people who are serious. A day, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a shoot, 2, beep beep beep.
Kondison on the beat.
Right, guys, welcome back on the PC. Now I'm going to start by each instrument. I'm gonna start by each instrument. I'm going to start playing each instrument once again. So maybe like we need to first connect our keyboard. We need to first connect our MIDI keyboard. So like here I've used a purity and I've used the first voice. Hey. Now we have connected our keyboard. There are some stuffs here I've played. So what we're gonna do is I need to change the key. Thank God. Now you are good. I'm going to remove these ones. So as I told you, I'm gonna start reviewing by each of the instruments that I've played.
Kondison on the beat.
That's the piano chords. Hey.
Kondison on the beat.
And the second instrument is I also did something called strings. I did the strings here. Let me first play. Hey. Just something simple like that. And also here I did what is called acoustic guitar. So like let me first put the microphone down and play the acoustic guitar. You hear how this gonna sound.
Kondison on the beat.
And also there's the most important one. That's the bass line, which will bring the melody. Though it's the most important test, but it also helps. So right now I'm going to play the bass. You'll hear how the bass is gonna sound.
Kondison on the beat. Now the saxophone, that is the basic, the important reason why we are here.
Hey, now we are going to drop the saxophone. What do I say? I'm going to put the saxophone.
Kondison on the beat.
Yeah, you see?
Kondison on the beat.
Hallelujah. If you're not subscribed, and then
Kondison on the beat.
this is KONDISONFILMS in the house once again. If you're not subscribed, always click that subscription button. Ade. Bidi ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba. For those who need a private lesson, you just go into my description there, and you'll find many good stuffs there on my website. That is kondison.com. A very biblical website designed for those who wanna learn productive stuffs, not like referral. I'm not after referral. You just get there and get it, find it with your eyes.
Kondison on the beat.
So what am I waiting?
Kondison on the beat. Kondison on the beat.